finally got my LEDs, man. So we can finally get rid of these ugly halogens, bro. Like, why would they even put this? This shit is ugly as hell. So that was one of the first things I wanted to do, was get rid of the halogens. The halogens is trash, bro. The car is too nice to have halogen headlights, I swear to God. So one of my boys hit me up and said, hey, hit up Braden STI. He's the link, he's the hookup. So I said, shit. I hit him up, bro. I ordered them Friday, or I think I ordered them Saturday. And these bits are already here, bro. I'm trying to open them up. I ordered them like Saturday and they're already here. So dude has some crazy shipping. For the bulbs, I went with 6,000K. For the bulbs, I went with a set of the 6,000K. And then for the parking light, or the low beams, whatever you want to call them, I went with, these are 3,000K, but the cover, this can slide off. So I'm gonna see what it looks like with the cover on, because I already have the 3,000K fog lights. So I'm not sure how it's gonna look if I have yellow fog lights and then yellow lights here. I mean, it might look cool. I don't know, we're gonna find out. So I'm about to pop some things off, pop these in, and then we'll get a side-by-side look at each one. For the bulbs, I went with a set of the 6,000K. And then for the parking light, or the low beams, whatever you want to call them, I went with, these are 3,000K, but the cover, this can slide off. So I'm gonna see what it looks like with the cover on, because I already have the 3,000K fog lights. So I'm not sure how it's gonna look if I have yellow fog lights and then yellow lights here. I mean, it might look cool. I don't know, we're gonna find out. So I'm about to pop some things off, pop these in, and then we'll get a side-by-side look at each one. But we're gonna see how it looks with the fog lights, or with the parking light like this. So I think it'll look pretty cool, but then again, it could be overkill. So let's find out. All right, man, this is it. Let's see it. Stick the key in. Let's see. All right, it's a moment of truth right here. Ooh, that looks so much better. Bro, the difference is insane. Look at that. The factory is so just ugly. Why didn't they just do this, bro? It's hard to see on camera, but I'm telling you, it's so much cleaner with the LED, bro. Like, this is what I was wanting. This was like one of the main things, because these halogens, I mean, this car is a 2019 and there's halogens on it. And it's just, bro, it's yucky, bro. Like, it's just so ugly. And then this is the next thing I gotta fix. I mean, I put the LED in there and it kind of lights it up somewhat, because it was a little halogen bulb in there, and that was just, I don't know. And excuse the Michael Jackson glove. The kit come with these gloves in it, which is pretty smart, because a lot of these bulbs, even though these are LEDs, I don't think LEDs are affected by finger oil and stuff. But it's just a good idea that he even included them, because I don't think I've ever seen gloves before in a kit. So yeah, I got the parking light in, but that doesn't come on until the car is running and you have it in, like, have the e-brake. Man, Waycross, I tell you, they don't give a fuck. They be coming through here with just straight pipe, anything, like just from headers back or some shit. But anyway, man, I got the parking lights in, not on this side, but on this side. They don't come on until the e-brake is disengaged, so I can't see those until I turn the e-brake off. So let's see what happens. Let's see what they look like. I can already see that shit is yellow as hell, bro. Oh my. Ooh. Do I like that look? I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna do it for a few days. We're gonna see what happens. We'll do it for a few days. But it is, I think it's yellower. I think it's yellower than my tint. I mean, my fog lights. So let me finish the other side and we'll be done. And as you can see, guys, the difference is like crazy how different it looks. And I've had these on for probably, I don't know, maybe a week or so now. I just wanted to wait, test them out, see what I think of them, and then give you guys a video on it. They light up the block. And while I'm out here, also, I went ahead and done the LED tag lights. I mean, that's nothing crazy, but little things like that make a big difference. The next thing I'm wanting to do is go ahead and get these halogens out of the interior, get some LEDs in here. I'll definitely be hitting up Brandon again to get some interior LED lights, but that's pretty much it for now. I know I want to get the tail as turned mod or whatever. I don't even know what it is, but I see it on a couple cars and it looks pretty cool, so definitely want to get that. Oh, and the F1 light, I always think those look pretty sick. So those are my next couple little small moves. I mean, honestly guys, I'm just enjoying the car how it is at the moment. Really, I've just been getting used to the stick, honestly, so I'm getting that down pat. So as soon as I get completely comfortable with that and I feel like I can be able to maintain it with more power, we'll definitely be getting some mods coming soon. We'll be getting some exhaust and tunes and stuff. I'm definitely wanting to go eat a flex fuel kit because I've seen some insane things with the flex fuel and the FA motor, so that's definitely some stuff I'm going to be doing. But like I said, for now, this has been one of my dream cars, so I'm just enjoying it like it is, getting used to it, and there's no point in me dumping all extra power into it if I don't even know how to shift it right, because then I'll probably bend in some rods or something. Because let me turn some lights on out here. It's fucking dark. There we go. Hell yeah. I just hit 500 subscribers. I mean, a lot of you guys are probably like 500, but to me, I mean, that's crazy. Like 500 people are interested in my channel, interested in what I do. So that's always pretty cool to me, and I appreciate all you guys for watching. So with that being said, just stay tuned and we'll be getting some more stuff coming soon, I promise, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.